Hi, I am Dirshan Pereira. This application is used to maintain the operation data and manage the admin divisions for the uh, revenue details and send the emails to the respective party. For that, I am developed the two interfaces in order to manage the operation data and the admin division data. This is the admin person interfaces. It is recommended to view the web base because they can view the entire things in one place. And this is the interfaces. This is the mobile application interfaces, which is used to the operation division, operation person. Let's look how the admin person applications is working. They have three sections mainly in front view. One is the admin update, other one is comment view, and the comment sense. Admin update is maintain the entire data sections, which is maintain the customer data, put away and other things. And still I have not entered any data in the admin update section. And before the update sections, let's look at how the working and how the interfaces is look like. Admin person have a menu. This is the menu. They can click here and show the menu. Click here and they can send the report, and they can create the customer in this column. They can delete the customer, or they can edit the customer. Whatever thing they can do it, admin person. Then user level also, they can delete the user level, or they can create the new user. If you wish to create the new user, you can go to user, then click the plus icon, then enter the operator email. The email ravi@gmail.com. Then put in the name Ravi Pereira, and this section you can activate or deactivate the respective user, and this section you can assign the user role. It is the admin person, then you can select the admin one. If the person is the operation person, then you can select the operate one, then you can save it. And likewise you can add the customer here. Then if you have new customer, then click the plus icon, then select the name, whatever name, Apple Inc. Then select to it. This also can activate or deactivate, and this is the arrange in one. This is if you customer. I will show how to arrange the customer. If it is customer, then you can click the customer, then if it is other person, then you can click the other. This is I'm time being I'm click the customer, then save it. This is the basic thing. And another view is a comment view. This view is show the operator comment, and this is show the admin comment. I will show the how to send the comment to the operator. For that, you have to go admin comment section, then click the plus icon here, then type the comment, please update information before 8 p.m. Then you can select the respective person. If you wish to send the Smith, then you can select this one, and you can select the level of the comment, then save it. This is the simple task. You can send any person to message and manage the entire comment section in here. Now we are looking for the how to add the update section. For that, you can click the plus icon here, then you can assign the person. You can assign any person, then you can select the customer, you can select the pick or put away, then you can select the palette or cartoon. This information will be filled by the operation division. For that, I will be saved to the field for the operation divisions. You can add any number of things like this one. You can submit G away palette. Likewise, you can add the customer. I will add the paperwork. Then if you need to find this one, you can type here paperwork, then you can save it here. If you like at the cleaning, then you can add here. This is the customer view, this is the other view. Likewise, you can add any number of and anything you can any person you can assign to the job. Likewise, this I have several record for the Steve Smith and Mark David. Now we move to the operation division user interface. This is the operation division user interface. You can synchronize the data. Before use the applications, it is recommended to synchronize the data. Then they can see the comment which is sent by the admin divisions. This is the comment. Now this is sent by the admin divisions. Now you can change any data, the operations update section. Then you can select the respective item. Then easily you can change the value. You can change the hour, scrolling here, and you can change the minute. Then save it. Likewise, you can change the quantity here, and you can change the hour here. This is very easily you can do the part. Then cleaning section, you does not have any hour, you does not have any quantity. For that, you can change the hour here, and paperwork also you can change the hour. Then admin person can be at the revenue. For that, I am moved to the admin section. This is my admin section. I will synchronize the all data which was sent by the operator. Then I click here and I click the respective section, and I can add the for revenue data. Here you can add the revenue data. This is the revenue data, and likewise easily you can add and save the entire thing. If it is finished, entire update and the data, you can send the mail to the respective party. For that, you have to go report section. Then you can, if you need to change the email address, click here and you can change here anything you can change here. But time being, I will send to my email address and click the send button. This is the confirmation button. You will send, click here and we'll synchronize. Then I will go to the my section. Still it is sending. Now it is gone to the my email address. We'll see how to look like. I'll refresh my email address. Then update section have received the email. Then I'll click here. There are nicely show the mail body and Excel. Then you can download the Excel here. Clicking download, then you can open the Excel file. This is the data. This is the old data. This is nicely arranged the data, entire things. If you have so many data, then all data will be captured in one place. After that, you can delete the entire data from database. For that, you have to go report section, then click the delete button. This is the delete button. Then they ask the confirmation, delete the old data. Yes. Then it is automatically all data will be deleted on your database. I think all requirements are met according to your request. If you need any clarification, please send me a comment. Then I will be attempt as soon as possible. Thank you. Good day to you.